The mouse's digestive system is composed of a complete digestive tract going from the mouth to the anus and by additional glands. The digestive tract is divided into 4 regions: the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. The esophagus is a simple tube going from the mouth, through the neck, the thoracic region and the diaphragm, to the stomach. To better see the esophagus, it's necessary to move the cardiorespiratory system that partially covers it. To do so, blood vessels have to be cut. The vena cava is cut at the diaphragm level. The aortic arch is severed. Followed by other vessels and connective tissues attached to the trachea and to the cardiorespiratory system. These tissues must be removed with the help of forceps going up along the esophagus while holding the heart and lungs apart on the left. The heart and lungs are pinned. The esophagus is now visible in its whole length. It meets the stomach in the abdominal portion. The third part of the digestive tract, the intestine, is limited to the abdominal region and is divided into the small intestine and the large intestine. To observe these regions, the digestive tract has to be unrolled by going gradually back from the rectum up to the stomach. Mesenteries that link the intestinal folds are delicately torn by pulling on the digestive tract. The unrolled intestine is pinned on the side of the animal. The small intestine is divided into 3 parts: the duodenum, the most anterior, the median jejunum, and the posterior ileum. The large intestine is the shortest and is composed of 3 parts as well. It begins with a dead-end pocket, the caecum. It continues with the colon and ends with the rectum leading to the anus. The rectum can be easily recognized thanks to the presence of a string of droppings inside. The digestive tract also has additional glands, the salivary glands, visible in the neck part, the liver, and the pancreas. The liver is divided into 4 lobes. The gallbladder is associated to the liver. To expose it, lift and move aside the median lobes of the liver. The common bile duct carries all the hepatic secretions to the duodenum. The second additional gland, the pancreas, has a plumose shape and is located behind the stomach. In the abdominal cavity, the spleen is also present. It is an immunological organ which is not part of the digestive system.